guys, it's Colin here. I'm back. Sorry, I'm gonna have a shave later because I'm going out, so don't worry. This is just a bit of a vlog, because I got a comment from somebody who said they were a little bit nervous about their surgery coming up, and I said I would make a kind of a vlog of my journey through the surgery from start to finish. Anyway. I put my name down on the list for the VNS. This was during the start of COVID, so I had to wait a while. Eventually they called me in to the epilepsy clinic where I had to stay overnight for about a week so they could monitor my seizures. And I remember I did take a big violent one. Sorry, that's just my phone going off there. I did take a big violent one, and the doctor came in the next day and said, right, we have what we want. So I think it was about 2 days before the end of the week, and then I headed home. So I was just waiting and waiting, and I got a call to go in for the surgery. So they took me in 2 days beforehand. The first day was just to get me used to the room and do tests. But then I was waiting to go in, and it was the next day. So they were prepping me for the surgery. And of course I had to be milled by mouth for 24 hours. Then that day they called me in for the surgery. I was going to the surgery and I was nervous as hell. I know the procedure only took about just under an hour to do, but naturally I was nervous. I was waiting in the waiting area in the surgery for them to come and get me and bring me into the theatre to get the surgery done. So they brought me in, and the doctor could see I was nervous. I was shaking and I was nervous. So he said to me, right, okay, I'll give you something to relax. And then I was out. I went under. They put me under. They just said I'm giving something to relax. And then next thing I was under. And I woke up in the waiting area again. And I said to the nurse, I said, haven't they done it yet? I've been waiting here ages. Haven't they done it yet? And they said, it's over. The nurse said, it's over. I said, what? I just thought I fell asleep. So I was brought back up to the ward, stayed there overnight for observation, and the next day headed home. My battery's going a bit low here, so I'll try and be as quick as I can. Anyway, yeah, I was just kept in overnight for observation and headed home the next day. Now, of course, I was trying to put my shoes on and I couldn't put them on because I was trying to bend down and it was really sore bending down, but I could walk and everything. Now, apart from that, I just a little bit of pain, and all I had to do was take paracetamol just to kill the pain. Normal paracetamol, you over-the-counter stuff. And I had to leave the stitches in for about a week or so, but my recovery time of the actual pain and stuff was only like 2 or 3 days, and I was over it. And all I had to do was wait to get the stitches out. So I had to kind of wait. Then it was a fortnight, 2 weeks before they can switch it on, because my body had to get used to it, and they can't switch it on straight away. So I went up to the clinic and got it switched on, and my legs were shaking and everything. And she put it on and she said, well, can you feel that? And I said, no, I can't feel it. So then she got the magnet and she swiped it, and I started coughing. If you look in one of my previous vlogs, I can't remember the name of it, but you will notice that I swiped the magnet and that, and, you know, and I coughed and everything in that vlog, if you have a look for it. But that was really it. There was no problem in the surgery. It took 45 minutes to an hour, my guessing. So my phone's going mental here. Anyway, it took 45 minutes to an hour, and that was it. It was over. I was only in the hospital for 2 or 3 days at the most. So if you're getting it done, don't be nervous. It's absolutely fine. It really is. It's absolutely fine. Don't worry. All that you really have to do is just get used to it, and your body will adapt to it. And after a while, you won't even know it's there. You might feel a few pulses from time to time, but after a while, you don't even realize it's there. So this is just a little vlog for the person out there and for everybody else as well, that don't be nervous, everything will be absolutely fine. Okay? Talk to you soon.